Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 3 for the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. So, on the 3rd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, I think it's an embossing folder. Ah, yes. No, it's a die. Yay! Love a good embossing folder, but I love a good die too. All right, so let's take a look at this beauty. This is a 2-piece die set. Let me give you the measurement. 4 1/8 of an inch wide. So that would be perfect for an A2 card. This piece, you could then use it. Well, you'll see it on my example, how I'm going to use this as the forward flap on a card. Oh, great. Alrighty, crafters. Let's take a look at my example. This is my December 3rd example. It is an A2 top folding card. And what I did was use the decorative element. When you cut it out, you get the full detail comes out. This is 4 1/4 inch wide, so it's perfect for an A2 card. You can also double it if you wanted to use it on like a scrapbook layout or some bigger project or a bigger card. This decorative element I'm using here at the bottom, right here. See, I cut the cardstock with it and then put this on the top. Isn't that cool? And on the inside, I just created a flap here, just a score line. This is about 3/8 of an inch. I didn't want to run all of this through my die cut machine or get too much of an impression on the back here. So I just ran this little area with the die and then put this decorative piece on top, both at the top of the card and the bottom of the card. Now to finish my clean card, I'm using, I love this sentiment so much. I'm using the classic Merry Christmas die. Look how pretty that is. It's just this great focal point. It's big enough, but not too big, but it takes up a nice amount of real estate. When you just have this open space, because I put the florals down here, I could have also done florals here too. So I could have done this as well and then put something smaller there. 3 3/4 of an inch wide by almost 1 1/2 inch tall. Okay, so that's the sizing. And then I just put it at an angle, cut it out with some red foil cardstock. In the background for this shadow layer, I'm using white cardstock. Okay, for the foliage, this is so funny. I started off with the Make It Merry florals, and underneath my poinsettias, I do have this, but it just didn't look right. And then from my collection, Christmas wreath add-on, I used my poinsettias, the small and the large, okay? And just layered them up. The centers are right here. I had these bits ink blended. They have a silver mix gem in the center, and I just put it on top of the floral. So if this floral didn't work, this one fits on top of it. But I did leave the greens here. So I did use 2 of this, which is here. There are the tops for it. Also, I used this bit right here. This is all in Spellbinders Forest cardstock. I also added just a little bit of stickles here. I was going to finish it off with gems. Something was saying to me, stop right here. I think this is perfect the way it is. All the party down here and then the sentiment there. And this decorative element is just the added touch, like the cherry on top. All right, crafters. Thanks so much for watching December 3rd, day 3. Come back again tomorrow for December 4th. Just a little quick update. I did mention Simon Says stamp selling out of the Advent Calendar. That is now out of stock, okay? So I guess a few of you probably went there and grabbed yourself your Advent Calendar. 2 thumbs up for that because you're going to love your Advent Calendar. Also, don't forget the 12 days of giveaways at Spellbinders. I will put a link below. You can enter on Instagram, Facebook, and on the Spellbinders website. The link below I'm giving you is for the Spellbinders website in case you don't want to go through the social media. There is 12 days of gifts, and then on the final day, on December 12th, it's going to be this beauty, the grand prize, the Spellbinders original platinum machine with the universal plate system. Yay! Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!